Legislative process. Legislative process, we can divide it for the money bill and for ordinary bills. And I'll talk about the legislative procedure when the house is bicameral. क्योंकि यूनिकैमरल में तो बिल्कुल अगर बाइकैमरल समझ में आ गया तो यूनिकैमरल सेम ही होगा. तो this is how we are considering is the legislative assembly and the legislative council. In terms of money bill, देखो बिल्कुल same thing है. Like a money bill can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha. The money bill here can be introduced only in the state legislative assembly. Pehla. Second, a money bill can be introduced only on the recommendation of the president. Here the money bill can be introduced only on the recommendation of the governor. ठीक है? When a money bill is introduced in the legislative assembly, who decides whether the bill is a money bill or not? Is the speaker, and speaker's decision is full and final. ठीक है? Then after the legislative assembly passes the money bill, it goes to the legislative council. Like the money bill passed by the Lok Sabha goes to the Rajya Sabha. Now what Rajya Sabha can do? Can Rajya Sabha reject the money bill? Can it do so? No, it cannot reject. Can the Rajya Sabha amend the money bill? No, it cannot amend the money bill. Okay. It has to return the bill within a time frame of 14 days from the date on which it received the money bill. And when it returns the copy of the money bill to the legislative assembly, what it does is, along with the copy of the bill, it gives a copy of recommendations suggesting amendments. It cannot directly amend the bill, but can recommend what the possible amendments could be. Now, it is completely on the discretion of the legislative assembly either to accept these recommendations or reject these recommendations. If it rejects, then it is considered as passed from both the houses. If it accepts, then it is considered as passed after accepting the recommendations from the legislative council. ठीक है? But if it takes no action for 14 days, then what happens? It is automatically considered as passed. तो बिल्कुल वैसा ही है जैसे सेंट्रल लेवल पे है as far as money bill is concerned. ऑर्डिनरी बिल में थोड़ा एक लर्निंग वाला एलिमेंट है, आप देखो इसको अच्छे से. ठीक है? तो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली एंड लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल. The ordinary bill could be introduced either in the legislative assembly or in the legislative council. हम उधर की बात बाद में करेंगे, पहले इधर की बात करते हैं. ठीक है? If it is introduced in the legislative assembly, then once it is passed by the legislative assembly, it goes to the legislative council. Now the legislative council has these options. It can reject the ordinary bill. It can amend the ordinary bill. Or third, it can take no action on the bill for a period of 3 months. वहां पे क्या था? Period of 6 months. यहां पर क्या है? Period of 3 months. Just आधा टाइम याद रखना. If it rejects the bill or if it amends the bill and the amendments are not agreeable to the popular house, or it does not take any action on the bill for a period of 3 months. वहां पर क्या होता था? If the Rajya Sabha rejects the bill, there will be a joint sitting. If the Rajya Sabha amends the bill and the amendments are not agreeable to the Lok Sabha, there will be a joint sitting. If the Rajya Sabha does not take any action on the bill for a period of 6 months, there will be a joint sitting. But यहाँ पर ध्यान से देखना. If the Legislative Council rejects the bill, or if the Legislative Council amends the bill and the amendments are not agreeable to the Legislative Assembly, or the Legislative Council takes no action on the bill for a period of 3 months, the bill will make its return journey to the Legislative Assembly. ठीक है? And the Legislative Assembly will again pass the bill with or without amendments. Then the bill will again go to the Legislative Council. This is the second trip to the Legislative Council. In this case, the Legislative Council can only hold the bill for 1 month. If it does not take any action within 1 month, the bill will be considered as passed by both the houses. If the Legislative Council in this second journey tries to reject it or tries to amend it, and the amendments are obviously not agreeable to the Legislative Council, if it tries to reject it or amend it, कोशिश भी की तो पास मान लिया जाएगा उसको. समझ में आया? वो कर नहीं सकते आप. दूसरे केस में आप क्या कर सकते हो? बस यू कैन होल्ड इट फॉर अ मैक्सिमम पीरियड ऑफ 1 मंथ. मतलब कुल मिलाकर अगर देखो तो लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल अगर चाहे तो किसी बिल को लॉ बनने से 4 महीने के लिए रोक सकती है. 3 months this window and 1 month this window. Initially 3 months and then in the second journey 1 month. Total becomes 4 months. अब कहानी दूसरी तरफ से समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. If suppose the Legislative Council, the bill has been introduced in the Legislative Council, and the Legislative Council, it passes the bill, it goes to the Legislative Assembly. If the Legislative Assembly rejects the bill, there is an end to the life of the bill. समझ में आ रहा है? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि इट विल गो टू द काउंसिल, काउंसिल विल अगेन अमेंड, और लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली उसको फिर 1 महीने तक ही रोक सकती है. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं. इट मींस लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली इज सुप्रीमली पावरफुल when compared to the legislative council. So unlike the Rajya Sabha, which is second chamber, the legislative council is a secondary chamber. समझ में आ रहा है? It is not the second chamber. Second chamber मतलब equal rights होने चाहिए. Equal rights है ही नहीं यहाँ पर. That's the legislative process as far as the ordinary bills are concerned. ठीक है? और ऑब्वियसली आपको पता है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट बिल की तो कोई बात ही नहीं होगी यहाँ पे, बिकॉज दे आर जस्ट रेटिफाइड बाय द स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर बाय पासिंग रेजोल्यूशन सपोर्टेड बाय सिंपल मेजॉरिटी. ठीक है? वंस द बिल इट इज पास्ड, इट गोज टू द गवर्नर. उसकी बात हम कर चुके हैं इन द प्रीवियस क्लास, दैट द गवर्नर में declare his assent, he may withhold his assent, he may return the bill to the legislature for its reconsideration, provided the bill is not a money bill. If the legislature reconsiders it, passes it again, then the governor must sign it. Or the fourth option, the governor may reserve the bill for the consideration of the president, and reservation of a state bill for the consideration of the president is a discretionary power of the governor under all circumstances, but in one case it is mandatory, when the bill in question is threatening or endangering the position of the High Court of the state. ठीक है?